Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iOS 26 software update pause error on iPhone. If you are trying to update your software to iOS 26 and your update has been paused, so let's see how can you easily fix that error. So the very first thing you have to do, you have to make sure that you have a stable or stronger Wi-Fi or internet connection, because sometimes it will happen that if you have any weak internet connection, so you just have to connect with a stable Wi-Fi connection or try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have done, you have to go for settings, then go for general, then go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have a connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And there's a third way that you have to reset all of your network settings, because sometimes it might be that it will happen due to your IP configuration. You have to tap on reset option, then select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and you will get the pop-up confirmation. You have to select the reset network settings option, and your phone will reboot. And after that, your network setting will be resetted, so it will fix your issue. So if this step doesn't work for you, you have to make a forced restart, and once you have forced restarted, it will completely reset your update. So let's see how you can do that. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until your screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you will have to wait for Apple logo here. So once you get the Apple logo on your screen, you have to wait for your phone until it's restart, and once the phone has been restarted, you can easily reinstall or resume your software updates. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iOS 26 software update has been paused on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.